All right, guys, welcome back. Welcome to Planter Garden TV. We're getting ready. We still in the fall. We ain't even reached winter yet, but we basically getting ready to get our garden beautiful, get it prepared for the fall. Not for the fall, for the spring. If you notice, you're gonna notice how this soil is really dark and soft and beautiful. This soil is basically ready for the next garden season. So what I'm doing now, I'm actually trying to dig. I'm not trying to do too much raised bed this year. I'm trying to do rows. I love rows because you could get between the rows them and you could walk both sides. I love rows, and I'm definitely gonna do rows this year. I did a lot of rows with the edos and things last year, this year, but I'm gonna do more rows this year. So this is the shape. This is how it start going. I'm gonna carry it right back over there, and I'm gonna bring it right back over. So we're gonna have more rows going down to the bottom down there. But I just want to show you guys the importance of rich soil. Rich, beautiful soil. This is rich, beautiful soil. This is soil that mixed with leaf, these type of leaf, weeds that grows up in the garden. I've been walking this soil for years now, and I've been getting some beautiful crop out of this soil. You could follow my channel and you're gonna see my yield, my crop that I get from this soil. This soil was actually clay soil, but over the years I keep mixing it with the leaf and the weeds that grows up in the garden. It transforms itself. Now you barely can see clay. If you look down here, you will see what I'm talking about. You see, that's clay soil right there. So I've been mixing this soil for years with the leaf and the weeds that grows up in the yard. All these cover crop, these are cover crop that comes up in the winter. They works well in your soil as well. They protect your soil in the winter. And then in the spring, you start pulling them up and you start adding them in your soil, and it works wonderful. So it has transformed my soil from clay to beautiful black soil. All, if you notice over here, we in December, but if you notice, I already add the leaf into the soil and the grass into the soil, so it's already prepared and waiting for the garden season. So this is what's going on right now. We in December. We ain't even reached Christmas as yet, but we start working on the 2025 garden season, and the soil is awesome. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Beautiful, nice, soft soil. Just there, guys. Natural. So when you talk about natural, guys, you can do natural, but you cannot bring stuff from outside into your garden. What we do, we use the leaf from the trees, the weeds in our garden, and that's what we use and create a natural garden. So this is the beginning of 2025 garden season. We begin early because we want to be ahead of time. We don't want to wait until the spring. We want, by the time the spring hit, our garden must be intact and waiting for the plant. As you can see going up here, guys, all these are really good for your soil, and these are things we use, guys. These are things we use and work our soil, add in our soil. So this is how we create a natural, beautiful soil, and we already start working it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.